The Perky-Pet 9111-1SR Cactus Top Fill-Glass Hummingbird Feeder is a remarkable addition to any bird lover's backyard. Crafted by Perky-Pet, a trusted brand in bird feeders, this feeder is specifically designed to attract and nourish hummingbirds. Made from high-quality glass, this feeder not only provides a sturdy construction, but also adds a touch of elegance to your outdoor space. The unique cactus-shaped design adds a fun and decorative element that will surely catch the eye of both humans and hummingbirds alike. One of the standout features of this feeder is its top-fill design, making it incredibly easy to refill without the hassle of disassembling the entire unit. This convenience factor is a game-changer for bird enthusiasts who want to spend more time enjoying their feathered friends and less time maintaining their feeder. The Perky-Pet 9111-1SR Cactus Feeder is specifically tailored to cater to hummingbirds, offering them a reliable source of nectar. The flexibility,